If I told you a stock shot up 7.41% in one day, you'd think it's the biggest winner, right? Maybe. But what if I told you another stock with a tiny 0.36% gain today has actually made investors over 200% this year? Let's look at today's market report and learn where to find the real gold. Today's headline act was Cal Bank. It closed at GHS 0.58, up a massive 7.41% from yesterday. It was also the most traded stock by volume, with over 3.8 million shares changing hands. That's a lot of activity. But let's check the YTD year-to-date. Cal is up a very strong 65.71% for 2025. That's fantastic growth. Now look at GCB Bank. It only inched up 0.36% today. Tiny move, but check its YTD, plus 207.38%. It has more than tripled in value this year. One quiet day means nothing against that incredible long-term trend. This teaches us to look at the forest, not just one tree. The best way to do that? Look at the market indexes. The GSE Composite Index, the market's main report card, is up 78.41% this year. The GSE Financial Index, tracking just banks and financial stocks, is up a whopping 92.51% this year. See the pattern? The financial sector as a whole is on fire. Cal's big day is part of that bigger, stronger wave. GCB's amazing year is another example. This tells us money is consistently flowing into the banking sector, which is more meaningful than any single day's move. A rising tide lifts all boats. A strong sector trend, like financials up 92%, is a more reliable signal than chasing one volatile stock. High trading volume on a day with a big price move, like Cal, shows strong conviction. It's not just a fluke. While Cal moved the most today, MTN Ghana moved the most money, GHS 4.03 million in value traded. It's the heavyweight in the market. This is not financial advice. This is an educational exercise in reading market data. The stocks mentioned are examples from a report, not recommendations. When analyzing a stock, what to pay more attention to: its explosive daily moves or its steady long-term YTD performance? Let's discuss what builds real wealth. Do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe for more investment tips from the nerds.